Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 4753S. This is your round trailer spindle washer for your 3,500 pound axles, 2,000 pound axles, 5,200 pound, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 pound axles. Let's take a look at it. So this is a real common trailer spindle washer. It's used on everything from 2,000 pound all the way up to 8,000 pound axles. Standard round washer. There are other washers that have a little D shaped in it. They're not fully round. Dexter typically uses them, so make sure you don't need one of those. Make sure you need the standard ones. And we'll just measure it out real quick. So the inner diameter's 1 inch and the outer is going to be 1.69 inches. Real standard replacement spindle washer right there. So if you need them, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching.